In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to your video using CapCut. Whether you're a budding content creator or simply want to add a touch of flair to your videos, learning how to add a border in CapCut is a straightforward yet effective technique that can really make your footage stand out. Let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to log into CapCut and either open an existing project or start a new one. Make sure you're comfortable with the video you plan to edit, as this is the base upon which we'll add our creative touch. Once you're in your project, the first thing you need to do is select the video clip you'd like to edit within the timeline. Simply click on the video to highlight it. This ensures any effect we apply will only affect the selected clip. Next, on the left side of the CapCut interface, you'll notice a menu. Here, you want to locate and click on the option labeled Effects. This section houses a range of effects that you can apply to your video to enhance its appeal. In particular, we are interested in what's available in the Basic or Video Effects tabs. Take a moment to explore these sections, as this is where you'll find the effect we are going to use. Look for an effect titled Border or Outline. This is what will allow us to add that neat finishing touch around your video. Once you've found an effect that catches your eye, the next step is quite simple. Drag and drop the border effect directly onto your video clip within the timeline. This intuitive process should overlay the effect onto your video, instantly giving it a fresh new look. Just applying the effect might not give you exactly what you want. That's why it's important to fine-tune the effect to your liking. Head over to the right-hand side of your screen to find the Settings panel. Here, adjust the thickness, color, and style of your border. Whether you prefer a bold, thick outline to make your content pop, or a subtle pastel rim for a vintage look, this panel allows you full control over the appearance of your border. Once you're satisfied with your adjustments, it's time to preview your work. Go ahead and play the video to see how the border complements your content. If it's not quite right, don't worry. Just return to the settings and tweak your design until you're happy with the result. And there you have it. A beautifully bordered video ready to impress your audience. This little trick can truly elevate the visual appeal of your content, giving it that professional touch. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy editing!